Well, good morning, everybody. It is Ben from Maine's Woods and Water. We are out here on Rangeley Lake. Got a couple-day trip up here. It's absolutely gorgeous up here, and fishing, I've heard, has been a little bit off. We got some crazy amount of rain recently, so I think the fish are a little bit jacked up. But we're up here for a couple of days, so hopefully we can figure it out and bring you some great fish on camera. So thanks for watching. Oh, we are on first fish in Rangeley. Feels like a good one. That one is right on top. There he is. Oh, it's a beautiful fish. Come here, darling. That's a really, really nice fish. It's a beautiful Rangeley fish. It's a little bit slow to start this morning, but man, this is why you come to Rangeley. Oh wow, that's a really big fish. There he goes. Oh, come here. Wow, that's my best salmon ever. Oh my goodness. What an absolute tank. Holy cow. Well, folks, that's why you come to Rangeley. Look at that. That might be a 24-inch salmon. Wow. All right. Stand by. All right, folks, let's get a quick measurement before we get her back in the water. She is 21 and a half. Let's get her back. Oh, well, we are on for the second time this morning. And real slow. This feels like a nicer fish. I haven't seen it yet. Oh, it's got good head shakes. It's got really big head shakes. This fish is fighting weird. Ooh, it's a big one. That's a really nice fish. Oh, it just rolled over. It's just as big as the other one. Wow. Okay. I did not think it was that big. Oh, now he's upset. Wow, that one might be bigger than the other one. that's a really big fish. Just try to ease him up. Oh, I got her. Wow. Just barely hooked. Look how fat that fish is. Wow. What a beautiful fish. Just barely hooked. All right. Wow. Let's get a measurement for you guys in a second after I get him unhooked. Got him here. What a big, beautiful Rangeley salmon. That one's 18, just over 18, fat. Beautiful fish. Well, we are at it again. We are up here on Moosic Lake. It's absolutely gorgeous morning, and we have 2 fish in the boat already. So stay tuned. Hope to bring you some more action. We did pretty well yesterday, and hopefully it continues. I'm up here with fishing with a friend, and hopefully we bring you some fish to put on the boat. Stay tuned.
You're right.
All right. What did I say? What did I say, Ben? First 10 minutes?
First 10 minutes.
All right.
All right, I think 3.
Yep. Is it? Nice. What a beautiful morning. I haven't seen it yet. We're at the leader. It's kind of acting like a brook trout. Little salmon. Nice.
Sweet.
Well, we can't get our lines in the water this morning. We have tried to get all of our lines out, and we've gotten bit before, he said. Doesn't feel very big, but it's a fish. Little salmon. Little tiny salmon.
Pretty small.
Yep.
Serious?
Yep, absolutely.
Actually, this direction actually isn't too bad. Get out of those lines.
What do you think, Ben? Is it a salmon or a brook trout?
Shooting for a salmon. I think we're pretty deep, so it's probably a salmon. Coming in pretty quick though. Should be seeing it here shortly.
There it is.
Well,
Little salmon. No. So, for the box?
for the box.
Yep. Oh, this is a nicer fish. Fish right there, Ben. You still there? What? Perfect. Doubled up. Let's see if we can land these two on this double. Oh, I got a nice salmon. Yeah, kind of. Go ahead and grab the net. Okay. Cool. Sweet. I think both those go in the box. We're on again. I'll return that time. Doesn't feel very big. Oh, good timing. Great timing. Perfect. Beautiful. There we go. All right. Be easy on it. Do you need me to roll up the leg core?
I'll do it here for now.
Okay.
Oh, maybe not. You just played it.
Rookie? Yep.
Better size than those shrimpies we were getting earlier.
Yep. It's a nice fish. Perfect. Good morning, everybody. It's the last day of my Rangeley trip. The last couple days haven't been the greatest fishing. Yesterday was pretty slow. And the day before that, unfortunately, when I was up here with another friend, I couldn't get most of the action on video. For the last morning, we bring you some nice footage, and we're out here trolling some dead smelts and see what happens. We are on. Doesn't feel very big. Beautiful morning. What do we got here? Looks like a salmon. Salmon. What a beautiful morning, just barely moving out here. Struggling this morning. There we go. Whew. That's a beauty. Probably about 17 inches. But we are on again. I was fiddling around with my fish finder because it decided to shut off. I have it working now. When I looked up, the rod was bouncing. So. This looks like a nice fish. Oh, it is. It's nice. Oh, I think it might be a brook trout. I think it might be a big brook trout. I caught a big one earlier here. I couldn't get on camera, but that one looks real nice. It is. It's a really nice brook trout. Oh, don't do that to me, girl. Just come here. I just want to take a picture of you. Come here. Come here. Don't do this to me. Oh, yes. That's a beauty. Take a look. This is a really nice fish. Big, gorgeous brook trout. Wow. Alright, I'll get it on hook to get a measurement for you guys. Alright, let's see what we got here. I'm guessing about 16. $16 on the nose. This is kind of cool, folks. You can see there's the fish I just released. Obviously very healthy, going right back down to the bottom. It's only half the chart because my fish finder was off, but that's pretty cool. We're on again. We're trying to get our line out. Not that long after I released that brookie, and this one gets right. Oh, this fish might have been playing past me a little bit. Yeah, this feels like a nicer fish. Didn't feel big at first. Maybe it's not that big. Can't tell what this is yet. Oh, it's another brookie. Wow. It's another nice fish. This one's a little bit smaller, but... Just want a picture. Oh, there we go. Cool. Look at that one. Another beautiful fish. A little bit smaller. This one's probably about 15. But fatter. Oh, we are on again. This one has only one color down. This lake has a problem with having too many small salmon, so if it's under 16, you can take as many as you would like. And this guy is definitely under 16, but he's big enough to eat, so. bring him home. Yep. $14 in the box he goes. Nice.